Hey everyone, today we've got something really special, and that is a PlayStation 3 Fat, model CECHE01. This system just came in for a deep clean and thermal paste reapplication, and I've got to say it's still one of the most impressive consoles Sony has ever made. Not only does it play PS3 games, but it also supports PS1 and most PS2 discs thanks to the hybrid emulation. It's basically 3 generations of PlayStation packed into one machine. Now before we go any further, a word from our sponsor. Before we get into today's video, I want to give a quick shout out to eWin Racing for sponsoring this video. They hooked me up with their Champion Series ergonomic gaming chair, and honestly, it's been a game changer for long editing sessions and gaming marathons. The chair has a steel frame cold cure foam padding and 4D adjustable armrests, so you can set it exactly how you like it. It also reclines up to 155 degrees and comes with a memory foam head pillow and lumbar support, which makes a huge difference in posture. If you're looking for a comfortable upgrade to your setup, check out the eWin Champion Series using my link below. Big thanks again to eWin Racing for supporting the channel. Now let's get back into the video. Here's why a service like this is crucial. The original thermal paste on these consoles is now 15 years old. By this point, it's dried up and lost its effectiveness. The PS3 Fat already runs notoriously hot, especially with the massive 90 nm RSX GPU. And without good thermal transfer, you're at high risk of the dreaded yellow light of death. So by reapplying high quality paste and doing a full deep clean, you're not only extending this console's life, but you're preserving an important piece of gaming history. The CECHE01 is one of the more unique PS3 Fat models. It's shipped with an 80GB hard drive, 4 USB ports, and a front-facing card reader. Features Sony later cut from slim and super slim models. Compared to the very first model, which is the CECHA01, which had a full hardware-based PS2 support, the CECHE01 uses a hybrid emulation method. That means most PS2 games will still run, but a few won't be fully compatible. So you'll have a lot of games that are going to run very laggy, losing a lot of frames, like this Scarface game. For most players, this is the best of both worlds because you get backward compatibility without paying the insane prices of the A01 model that goes for today. And here is where things get very exciting. This system is absolutely loaded with games. Thanks to custom firmware, the client now has access to not only their disc collection, but also digital backups, fan speed control, emulators, and much more. In 2025, jailbreaking is more important than ever because so many of these classic titles are either delisted, overpriced, or just inaccessible on modern hardware. Jailbreaking preserves them, and it gives you the freedom to use your hardware to its fullest potential, whether that's running PS2 gems, PS1 classics, or even retro emulators right on the PS3. So this E01 model is back in action, freshly cleaned, repasted, and ready for many more years of gaming. If you got one of these Fat models lying around, don't wait until it dies on you. Proper maintenance today can save you from losing a console that's capable of so much. So if you're interested in any of my mail-in services, please check out my website in the description down below, also pinned in the comment section. The PS3 Fat might have been bulky and prone to overheating, but it's also one of the most feature-rich PlayStations Sony has ever made. And with mods, it truly becomes a complete retro gaming machine. If you enjoyed these repair showcases, make sure to subscribe for more console mods, guides, and preservation videos. Until next time, thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.